So this is an introduction to the FET construction kit DC. So if you open this and then you just click into intro, that should open this up here. So simply follow my instructions. I'm just going to quickly make a simple circuit with a bulb. I'm going to drag in, don't be cheap with the wires, they don't cost anything here. And if I just drag all those in here, then you can see I make a circuit. If you want to, you can click this open here. Should we put a little switch in? Why not? Switches are free as well. And make this here. I'm going to make a little gap here, as we'll see in a minute. There's my nice full circuit. Nothing happening though. Let's close that circuit, and there we have our full circuit. So hopefully we're going to do this in a lesson as well, but if you don't get to do this in a lesson, this is a model, and the model has some advantages as well, because the model allows us to see what are called the electrons moving around the circuit, and when I open the switch, the electrons don't move. So if you could make up something like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this section here. So make sure you've got a little section that you can remove like this. I'm just going to hit delete. If I hit delete, I have that open. Now, if I go down here, I have different objects that I can put in. I've got a dog, a hand, a pencil, eraser, a wire, coin, a paper clip. So let's just start off with a coin. We can stick the coin in there, join that up. Is that going to conduct electricity? Yes, it is. That's because a coin has electrons in it, and the electrons in a coin, because it's are free to move. Let's remove the coin, hit delete, and try something else. Shall we try a dog? We'll put a dog in here. Now we put a dog in. You can see from the diagram, even if we join the circuit up, it's got electrons in it. So does it conduct electricity? Well, we've got a closed circuit. No, nothing happening there. So a dog, even though it does have electrons in it, like all objects have electrons in it, does not have electrons that are allowed to move. So dogs don't conduct electricity. They are called an insulator. So there you go. That's the little experiment or investigation I want you to do today. Make up a circuit like this, put objects in, start off with the wire, and then change all the other objects and see whether they are conductors or insulators. The way to work out whether they're a conductor is to see whether the light comes on. Once you finish that, please feel free to play around. You can do things like, if you click on this, you can increase the voltage. Boom. See what happens, have a play with that. If you want to go and add a voltmeter and ammeter in, or something like that. If you want to swap it over to circuit symbols, so they're just circuit symbols. I mean, at the moment we've only got a cell and a bulb here. Interestingly, the Americans use a slightly different symbol for the bulb. We use a cross for a bulb there, so it's slightly different there. But that's just to play around. Obviously anything you want to do on there, if you want to go and look in the lab, you'll find some slightly different things there. But use this basic circuit, have a look through, and make sure you complete the exercise first before you move on and do some more investigations.